All right, everybody, what is going on? It is a beautiful day today. It is 73 degrees and sunny, and it feels nice outside. Got a nice little ride planned today. I'm gonna head out to the restoration park. Not gonna go in the park, can't bring your bike in the park. Basically all it is just like a little walking trail through the woods. It's about a mile or a little over a mile long. But there's a part that you can go to. It's like the parking lot. And right there at the parking lot, they just planted some flowers. So I was just gonna ride over there and take a look. They planted some flowers at Caroli Park, and I filmed that. That video's up. You can check it out. So I figured I'd ride over here and see these. And I got my camera with me. I'm gonna take some pictures and I'm gonna shoot some video with my camera of the flowers. And I'll put that in the video. It'll be a little later on after we get there. And then we're gonna go to Sam's Southern Eatery and eat a little bit of supper. So it's a seafood place. Okay, they got good fish, jumbo shrimp, and they have the best tartar sauce in town, probably out of anywhere. I love the tartar sauce. I get it and I put my shrimp in it and the fish. So, and then after we eat, head back home. That's the plans for today. Just been kind of sitting around the house today, not doing too much. Watched some TV, worked on getting a video ready to go for my math channel. I didn't do the video, I got everything written up and working the problems out. I like to work the problems out before I do the video, so just so I can, while I'm working them in the video, I can just kind of glance up and see if I made a stupid mistake or something. So I did that today. I'll probably record that video tomorrow. But yeah, just sitting around the house, figured, hey, let's get out. It's too nice of a day. So grabbed the bike and headed on out. We'll cross the interstate up here. So there, and then on the way back, we'll have to cross the interstate on the way back too. So, but yeah, that's the plans for the trip. And my brakes are a lot better. I tightened them up, so hopefully it'll be a while before I have to tighten them up again. I tightened one of them up. I want to say it was maybe the back one, I guess. Yeah, it might have been the back one that I tightened up. But I had to tighten it up again. I mean, I was just pulling the brakes back and they were touching the handlebars. And I wasn't really even slowing down much. So I did that right before I came out on this ride. glass in the middle of the road. Yeah, you know, I would sit here and, you know, film the whole ride, and then when I got back to the computer, I would just cut out, you know, parts of the ride, you know, if I wasn't talking or anything, and it was just a long straight road like this one right here. But I think what I'm going to do now is just maybe just leave it in there, you know, and if you get bored watching that part of the ride, you can just fast forward it to where you want to go to in the video. So, you know, I just thought about, you know, doing something like that. I did it in the last video. Now I'll cut out the parts when I'm stopped at the light. And then the other thought I had is maybe, you know, on something like this, maybe just kind of cut out a section, but leave it in there and just speed it up. So, hadn't really decided yet. I'd like to get your thoughts on it though, so just let me know in the comments which one you think I should do. Just cut out chunks of the video, or just let the whole thing, just play the whole recording and let you forward it as you want, or speed up sections of the video. I'd be interested to see what y'all think. Alright, so there's not any cars behind me right now, so we're crossing over the interstate right now. And we'll go back down that road on the way to the eating place. Here comes a car. Yeah, I tell you, so far riding this bike, you see how that truck stopped and was waiting on me to get by. So, you know, I'd have to say for the most part, people around here, they're pretty good about letting you go, you know, giving you the right of way. So, yeah, we'll go left when we come back to go to the eating place. Well, not left, but we'll go back straight. We'll come back down this road here and just keep going straight. But we're almost to the restoration part. See, back over there, I don't know if you can see my finger, but back over that way, that's part of the restoration part. There's a trail all back through those woods there. So, but here's a place you can park, and then there's a place back that way you can park also. And there's part of the trail right there. But here's the flowers they planted. So, let's see. Okay. There's a bunch of them, isn't it? All right. Oh, I didn't buckle my bag back, did I? All right, so let's get the camera out and we'll take some pictures and we'll shoot some video. So let's see. All right. The flowers here look pretty nice. And they're all facing the wrong way. How about that? See if we can find a good one to get a picture of. There's a... Let's see right here. Oh, I guess it would help if I took my lens cap off, wouldn't it? So let's see. Pretty good. I want to get a shot of this yellow one right here. Get my camera bag out of the way. Let me move my bike too. Yeah, I like that one. Let's see. Get this one off here. Oh. Let's go ahead and move to all right, so I think we'll call it a day out here, but yeah. Here, I'll walk down here. You can see the big bird. They have a little pond back over there. And they just got flowers down through here. They've never had this in the past, at least not that I can remember. So yeah, it's nice. I mean, it's the same flowers everywhere. I guess, you know, when you come out here, you just kind of pick where do you want to take pictures at. You know, the sun's pretty bad down here, but it's a lot better over there. But here, I'll walk up here and you can see. So there's the water right out there. And you can go walk back over there. They got a pier going across the water. But yeah, we'll head back to the bike. And there's the bike down there. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's down there. And we'll head to the eating place, get a little food, and then we'll head on back to the house. We'll bring the dog out here sometimes, but you know, he likes coming out here. You can't really bring him if you're gonna take pictures though, so. All right, there's Lynn's cat. And the good thing about this, it's not a big place. It's nothing fancy. But they got good food, and the good thing, I can park my bike right by the window, and I can just sit there and watch it. So I don't have to worry about somebody running off with it. And I do need to see about changing the battery in my bike alarm. I'm thinking I can. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to just dig around and look on the internet, I guess, to see if you can put a battery in it and see what kind it takes, or just kind of maybe open it up. I just hadn't got around to it. I've been so busy making the math videos, trying to make these videos, and you know, school started back. So looks like it's supposed to get down to 46 tonight, so that'd be nice. I wish it would stay like this during the summertime here, but I know it's not. Pretty soon it's just going to be so hot, it's not even really enjoyable to go outside. So this right here, if you're coming eastbound, you'll come out right there. But anyway, this is the exit. If you're coming eastbound, you'll have to come back over here. If you're coming westbound, you'll be right there. You'll take that. There's the exit right up there if you can see it. But once you get up here, it's all the same. And Sam's, it's right over there, and that's where you got to go to get to it. So I'm gonna need to stay right here And fortunately, there's no cars coming. So we'll go around here like this. And see, once you come up like this, you got to turn right where that black truck is. You turn right in here. And you go back up here, and here it is. It's not, like I said, it's not a big fancy place, but they've got good food. So we'll go in here and get us some food, head to the house. All right, so I'll probably, I'm gonna shut the video off when I go in here. So I'll park right here by the window. All right, so I'll take a picture of the food and put it in the video, and I'll turn the camera on when I get done eating. All right. All right. So we're done eating, and it was good. And so now we're just gonna head back to the house. Hopefully traffic won't be too bad. 5:47 on a Saturday. But I gotta cross this road right here, so hopefully that won't be bad. I think we got it. There we go. All right, everybody. Well, I think I am going to call it a video. As usual, I will leave the camera running in case something exciting happens. Hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one. Later.